Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. We're here in Paris and I am with the beautiful Mino. I've wanted to work with her for so long. She's quite the iconic model. She walked the runway with Karl Lagerfeld for 6-7 years.
Yeah.
You still do fashion shows. We're so excited to be playing with some Westman Atelier makeup today. We've already moisturized. Okay, so I'm gonna start with Vital Skin Foundation. The lighter shade is a concealer under eye, and then the darker, the true skin tone match to patch everything together. Okay?
Okay.
Je commence?
Oui.
Think about not making the skin feel like you have a lot of makeup on. You know, because then you just end up looking really not fresh. I always want to think about the fresher. I think everywhere in the world, everyone in the world is a little envious of French girls because they're naturally so pretty. They look like they don't do anything and they're so beautiful. So what is your approach to beauty?
My peau
Oui.
is very fine, thin.
Oui.
So I prefer to have a good product. But water too, I love the roses. Water.
Rose water?
Yeah.
Mhm. Ouais.
Yeah.
Est-ce que vous faites exercise?
Swimming pool.
Swimming pool. Oh, nice.
Yeah, I love.
Nice.
Yeah. And walk.
That's nice.
We walk a lot in Paris.
So I'm just getting these little areas of pigmentation,
Yeah, I have some, yeah.
but it's okay because c'est pas de problème. You just can cover, it's easy. So now I'm just getting the tiny little areas. And this helps really keep the skin looking less makeup-y when you just do the little spots on their own. So now I'm gonna put on a little bit of the Beauty Butter Bronzer, Coup de Soleil, just a tiny bit. And this is a powder, but it sits in your skin. It goes right into your skin. It's matte, and it just gives you back a little bit of, it's almost like you wanna correct your skin where you have any sort of discoloration, pigmentation, things like that, and then you can add the color back in. So now I'm just gonna give you a little bit more super loaded tinted highlight, but dépêche. Oh, it's so fun to do your makeup. So now I'm going to put a little bit of les yeux. And there's no silicones.
Ah, it's good.
C'est clean.
Oui, it's very important.
So you have very beautiful blue eyes. So I'm just going to focus on enhancing your natural beauty. So I'm going with more sort of earthy tones that are complementary to your blue eyes. So it really isn't about a trend or anything like that. It's just focusing on what will make you feel and look the most beautiful.
Faire sortir le bleu.
Yes, to make the les bleus.
Oui.
Mino has kind of like hooded eyes, and so it's nice to really just focus on bringing her some definition, making her eye color pop. And then I'm adding a little bit of tabac just to catch the light. I'm just gonna give her a little bit of definition on the bottom with the tabac mixed, tiny bit of chocolat. A little mascara. So now I'm put Bain Rouge and Noir, just a touch. I really want to make your eye color pop. So we are actually at 3 stores in Paris at the moment.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. We're in Dover Street Market Parfum.
Ah, dans le Marais, d'accord.
Oui. And then we're also in Bon Marché et Samaritan.
Ah, trop bien.
Oui.
Parfait.
So I'm just using Noir as a sort of smudgy eyeliner just in the outer corners, just to give her a little bit of a lengthening. Using tomato and a tiny bit of brick.
Wow, it's fabulous, yeah.
You like it?
Yes. I love the lips and the eyes with the black and the beige and chocolat, oui. It's very good, yeah. I approve.
Yay!
100%.
Merci beaucoup.
Oh, merci.